Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What is Microsoft Azure? Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and set of services offered by Microsoft that allows users to build, deploy, and manage applications and services through a global network of data centers. What are the key features of Azure? The key features of Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing platform, include virtual machines for running applications and services in the cloud, app services for building and hosting web and mobile apps, storage solutions for various types of data, such as blobs, files, and queues, Azure Functions for serverless computing, Azure Active Directory for managing user identities and access to resources, Azure DevOps for managing software development and deployment, machine learning and AI services for data analysis and prediction, Internet of Things, IoT, solutions for connecting and managing devices and data, security and compliance features, including encryption, network security, and compliance certifications. What are the benefits of using Azure? Some benefits of using Azure are scalability. Azure provides the ability to quickly scale up or down your resources as needed, allowing for greater flexibility and cost-effectiveness. Security. Azure offers robust security features and compliance certifications, giving users peace of mind that their data and applications are secure. Cost-effectiveness. Azure's pay-as-you-go pricing model allows users to only pay for the resources they need, reducing upfront costs and providing cost savings. Integration. Azure integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products and services, making it easy to integrate with existing workflows and processes. Innovation. Azure provides access to cutting-edge technologies such as AI and machine learning, enabling businesses to stay at the forefront of innovation. What is a subscription in Azure? In Azure, a subscription is a logical container that groups Azure resources and services together for billing and management purposes. It represents an agreement with Microsoft to use Azure services and provides access to Azure resources such as virtual machines, storage accounts, and databases. Each subscription has its own unique ID and can have its own separate billing and usage data. What is Azure Resource Manager, ARM? Azure Resource Manager, ARM, is a management framework provided by Microsoft Azure that allows users to deploy, manage, and organize Azure resources such as virtual machines, storage accounts, and networks as a cohesive unit. ARM provides a way to declaratively describe the desired state of resources and their dependencies, and automates the deployment and management of those resources. This simplifies the process of managing and scaling Azure infrastructure by providing a consistent and reliable way to manage resources throughout their lifecycle. What is an Azure region? An Azure region is a geographical location where Microsoft has data centers to provide cloud computing services such as virtual machines, storage, and networking to its customers. Each Azure region is composed of one or more data centers and is designed to be independent and self-sufficient, allowing users to deploy and run their applications with high availability, performance, and resilience. What is an Azure Availability Zone? An Azure Availability Zone is a physically separate and isolated data center within an Azure region that is designed to provide additional resiliency and high availability for applications and services deployed on the Azure Cloud Platform. Azure Availability Zones are interconnected with high-speed, private fiber optic networks and are typically located in different geographic regions within a given Azure region to provide redundancy and minimize the risk of data loss or downtime. What is a virtual machine in Azure? A virtual machine in Azure is a software emulation of a computer system that runs on the Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing Platform. It allows users to deploy and manage virtual machines in the cloud, providing access to computing resources such as processing power, memory, and storage, as well as networking capabilities. Azure virtual machines can be used to run a variety of operating systems and applications, and can be customized to meet the specific needs of individual users or organizations. What is an Azure Virtual Network? An Azure Virtual Network is a networking service provided by Microsoft Azure that allows users to create and manage isolated virtual networks in the cloud. It provides the ability to securely connect Azure resources and on-premises resources, control network traffic, and define network topology. What is Azure Storage? Azure Storage is a cloud-based storage service provided by Microsoft Azure, which offers a scalable and secure solution for storing various types of data such as files, blobs, tables, and queues. It provides high availability and durability, and supports multiple data access protocols, making it suitable for a wide range of applications and scenarios. What is Azure SQL Database? Azure SQL Database is a cloud-based relational database service provided by Microsoft Azure, which offers a fully managed and scalable solution for hosting and managing SQL Server databases in the cloud. It provides high availability, automatic backups, and security features such as threat detection and data encryption, and can be easily integrated with other Azure services and applications. Azure SQL Database supports SQL Server features and tools, making it a familiar environment for developers and administrators. What is Azure Active Directory? Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, is a cloud-based identity and access management service provided by Microsoft that allows organizations to manage user identities and access to resources such as applications and data. It provides single sign-on, SSO, capability, multi-factor authentication, role-based access control, and other features that help organizations manage their user identities and secure access to resources. Azure AD is tightly integrated with other Microsoft services such as Office 365, Azure, and Microsoft Intune, making it a central component of Microsoft's cloud offerings. What is Azure Functions? Azure Functions is a serverless compute service provided by Microsoft Azure that allows developers to run event-driven code without the need to manage infrastructure. It enables the creation of small, single-purpose functions that respond to specific events and scale automatically based on demand. Azure Functions supports a variety of programming languages, including C#, JavaScript, Python, and more, making it a flexible option for building cloud-based applications. What is Azure App Service? Azure App Service is a platform as a service, PaaS, offering from Microsoft Azure that allows developers to build, deploy, and scale web, mobile, and API applications. It provides a fully managed environment with features such as automatic scaling, continuous integration and deployment, CI/CD, and support for multiple programming languages and frameworks. Azure App Service also includes built-in support for popular application platforms such as .NET, Node.js, Java, PHP, and Python, making it easy for developers to deploy their applications without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. What is Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS? Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, is a fully managed container orchestration service provided by Microsoft Azure, which simplifies the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications using Kubernetes. It allows developers to focus on writing and shipping code. What is Azure Cosmos DB? Azure Cosmos DB is a globally distributed, multi-model database service provided by Microsoft on its Azure Cloud platform. It is designed to provide fast and scalable access to data using a variety of APIs and data models, including SQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, and others. It offers features such as automatic indexing, multi-master replication, and low-latency data access across multiple regions, making it suitable for building highly available and scalable applications. What is Azure Data Lake Storage? Azure Data Lake Storage is a scalable and secure cloud-based data storage and analytics service provided by Microsoft Azure. It allows organizations to store and analyze massive amounts of data of any type, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Azure Data Lake Storage provides features such as high availability, data encryption, and integration with other Azure services, making it a powerful tool for data management and analysis in the cloud. What is Azure Cognitive Services? Azure Cognitive Services is a collection of cloud-based APIs and pre-built tools that enable developers to add intelligent features to their applications without having to build and train machine learning models from scratch. These APIs cover a range of artificial intelligence, AI, capabilities, such as natural language processing, speech recognition, computer vision, and more, allowing developers to easily incorporate these capabilities into their applications with minimal coding. What is Azure Machine Learning? Azure Machine Learning is a cloud-based platform and service provided by Microsoft that allows users to develop, train, deploy, and manage machine learning models at scale. It offers a range of tools and services to enable data scientists, developers, and engineers to build and deploy machine learning models in a variety of languages and frameworks, including Python, R, and TensorFlow, among others. Azure Machine Learning provides a fully managed cloud-based environment for all stages of the machine learning lifecycle, from data preparation and feature engineering to model selection and deployment. What is Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps is a suite of development tools and services provided by Microsoft, which include source code management, build and release management, project tracking, testing, and deployment automation. It allows developers to collaborate on projects, track progress, and manage software development projects from planning to deployment. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.